Hey guys, good afternoon. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. How are you? Yeah, I thought I'd send over this video that I promised you guys. And just so you know, I actually got into this a little search about home theater, and I am a Colorado native. Grew up in Evergreen, and man, I know I've listened up ever since I was a little kid. And actually, since you guys are since '72, I was 10 years old when you opened your business. Um, Still local here. I'm in Colorado Springs and own a digital marketing company. And so when I was searching here, guys, you got your site here. Love it. Love your progression. Love your story and everything that you have here. But one thing I wanted to show you, this video is intended to show you the top 3 things that Google weighs most heavily when it is ranking a website so that you can achieve at least first page and actually in the top 1, 2, 3 position or even top 5. So I did a search for both home theater installation and home theater Denver. So you look here, we got a search volume of 320 a month for home theater Denver, but the competition is very high for that. It's very competitive for that keyword term. Here's something I discovered that I wanted to show you right away. Home theater installation Denver has 90, which is still good, but the competition is 80% less. So it's only a 20 for your competition. So getting back to the core of your site, believe it or not, the first thing that Google weighs most heavily is content. So on the first page here, you guys have good images and graphics, but not a lot of content. So believe it or not, Google likes to see 1,500 words plus on this home page here. You guys probably have about maybe 300 at the most. Okay, and so one of the other things I did is I went ahead and looked at the competition here. In particular, your go back a page. Your competition for home theater Denver. First thing we see when we come in here is the top 3 of the map pack. You guys are right there in number 3 position, so you're doing a great job. Someone's doing a really good job on keeping the GMB, the Google My Business account, up to date. So keep doing what you're doing there. That's the spot to be. So competition here is Denver Sight and Sound, soundingshifi.com, and terracomtheater.com. So those are your top 3 competition. And then you guys are in 13th position. So with the way this is formatted on this page, it actually shows the top 14 results as opposed to the top 10 because of some of the other stuff above. So you're in the 13th position here above these other guys, and then the competition. So if we take a look at your competition directly and come here to Denver Sight and Sound, they've been around quite a while, not nearly as good or reliable as you guys. So look at their homepage and their content. They have got quite a bit more content. It's one of the reasons that they're ranking, and in fact, they've got this part exposed in their testimonials, which all counts as content. So that's one of the things they really have going for them. Something else you can look at too if you're curious about stuff sometimes on the internet is if you just right click and do save image as. Google looks at the tags and titles for all of the images. So this one is titled Snow Covered TV. Probably not something that would be in a keyword search. So for instance, they could label this with keywords, same for your site. But the point is keywords count, and Google spiders see every image, caption, tag, and title. And they're probably looking at, I'm guessing they've got about 1,000 words here on their homepage. And then second one that is kind of curious to me here is the Soundings Hi-Fi. It's in the number 2 position. They hardly have anything on the homepage, and their website is not secure. So I'm kind of curious how that's going and how that's working, and I'm digging a little bit deeper on that. I'm not sure, but they do not have anything here, and then we'll also look at another comparison. And then third position, TerracomTheater.com. They've got great images, and they've got a fair amount, but not a lot. Probably about 800 words on this homepage. So those are your top three guys. And then your site. And I wanted to show you the second thing that Google weighs most heavily is backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere that your URL or any of your back pages with the URL associated with it appear outside of your domain, of your website. And so that could be in a blog post, directory, any kind of a article, that kind of thing. So a powerful backlink or a relevant backlink would be something that is industry specific for you guys. So Trade Magazine, that kind of thing would be a powerful backlink. And so if we look at a tool I have here called Ahrefs, we can took a look at Home Installation Denver, and this is actually showing 80 per month with a volume or a KD1, so really easy to rank in here. That's kind of the goal for you guys, is to rank for that keyword instead of just Home Theater Denver. So here's Listen Up. Checking out your UR and your DR in this tool that I have. The UR 29, that's nice high rating. That is the popularity of the website. And the DR at 50 is also a very high rank. And that is the strength of the website. So we have popularity here, strength here, and then backlinks. So this is quite a number of backlinks. So you've got 6,200 backlinks, gained 20 in the last month. And then organic keywords, you have 11,000 keywords and gained 300 here in the last 30 days. However, all this info and qualifying organic keywords are only coming from 627 referring domains. This is almost identical here, that you have 100 links coming from, average coming from each one of the referring domains. And then look at comparison. So here is number one position, Denver Sight and Sound. They only have a 13 and a 2 with 51 backlinks, 366 organic keywords. Okay, but they're in the number one position for Denver Home Theater. Okay, and then so Soundings Hi-Fi, 9 and a 7, 216 backlinks, 306 organic keywords. And we'll just keep moving so you can kind of compare. And then Terracom Theater, 27, only 7 on the strength of the website, but they do have 880 backlinks with 433 organic keywords. Okay, so how is it that you guys have so much more power, both in popularity, strength of the website, and backlinks, that you are 13? And so the thing that I see are these backlinks. If we go to the backlinks and take a look at the nature of these, we can see right here. Okay, so these are top to bottom. Again, you see these ratings, the DR, strength of the website, and UR, okay, popularity. So KUVO, okay, they're strong. Let me sort these though. And this is what I wanted to show you guys that I discovered, is with that many backlinks, you can see, so all of these have a 0.0 rating, and you actually have pages and pages of backlinks to your site that are from sites that have 0.0 rating, and that is why that you're not able to rank as well. So here's my suggestion: is you need to add about 1,200 words plus 1,300 words to your homepage, and eliminate some of these links that are not powering the website. They're just kind of garbling. And then start to rank for keywords that are not as competitive, so that you can start to garner especially some stuff in the home theater realm. So hopefully this is helpful, guys, and love Listen Up. Let me know if you have any questions, but feel free to use all these tips for your own benefit. And if there's any questions that you have or any way that I might be able to help, feel free to get back to me. Thanks.